We may learn lessons from the humble things of nature. The flowers in the dark, in their humble places, respond to the little light that they get. The little rays of light, they put forth leaves and flowers, just the little ray of light that they get. You and I should learn to give God praises for the blessings that we receive daily. Every day we receive blessing. But because many of these blessings are not big and spectacular, we don't recognize them. We do not stop to give God thanks and praise. We need to stop to give him thanks and praise.